Ferrari has revealed their new hybrid sports car, the 296 GTB. Let's get into it on MtnRoads. The Ferrari 296 GTB comes to us with a 120-degree hybrid V6. 296 symbolizes the engine size, 2.9 liters, and the V6 design, hence 296. The 120V architecture, which offers more space between the cylinder banks than the 90-degree V, meant the turbos could be installed centrally, thus significantly reducing the unit's overall size and the distance the air must cover to arrive in the combustion chamber. The 296 GTB offers a rear-wheel drive plug-in hybrid architecture, which sees the internal combustion engine integrated with a rear electric motor. The hybrid setup provides an all-electric 15.5-mile range and a top speed of 80 miles per hour without the internal combustion engine. The V6 makes 654 horsepower, and the addition of the E-motor adds an additional 165 horsepower, boosting the maximum power of the 296 GTB to a category-topping 819 horsepower. Torque comes in at 546 pound-feet at 6,250 RPM, with revs maxing out at 8,500 RPM. The Ferrari 296 GTB comes with an 8-speed F1 dual-clutch automatic. The 296 GTB sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. The GTB pushes from 0 to 125 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds. Max speed is over 205 miles per hour. Ferrari says the 296 GTB redefines the identity of Ferrari's mid-rear-engined Berlinetta. Ferrari focused on creating a cabin set with powerful volume. The 296 GTB has a short wheelbase, 50mm shorter than the F8. The 296 has muscular fenders and a visor roof. The 296 GTB's rear is dominated by a ring-shaped flying buttress that houses the engine compartment cover. The 296 GTB also has a truncated tail that enhances its compactness. The tail incorporates a horizontal section that encloses lights and an integrated spoiler. The interior of the 296 GTB is built around a full digital interface similar to the SF90. Most of the instruments are concentrated on the driver's side. The cockpit is created from a break in the upholstery of the dashboard where the steering wheel and instrument panel emerge. The passenger area has a minimalist look. There is a display on the passenger side that offers the chance to participate in the driving journey. A range of new components has been developed to make the 296 GTB fun to drive, which Ferrari stressed highly. These include the new TMA actuator and the 6W CDS body sensor. The 296 GTB features the new ABS Evo controller and grip estimator integrated with the EPS. If you're interested in the fine details of this technical wizardry, you can head to the Ferrari website and check it out. If you want to amp up the 296 GTB a bit further, you have the option of going with the Assetto Fiorano setup. The Assetto Fiorano is equipped with aerodynamic and weight reduction features for enhanced track performance. The Assetto Fiorano uses multimatic dampers with fixed settings optimized for track use. High-load carbon fiber aids on the front bumper and extensive use of lightweight materials, both inside and out, further boost performance. The Assetto Fiorano manages to shave 12 kilograms off its weight. Finally, the Assetto Fiorano offers an optional livery inspired by the Ferrari 250 LM. Pricing details haven't been released, and I'm not going to speculate. You'll just have to wait on Ferrari. There you have it. The Ferrari 296 GTB. How'd Ferrari do with their new sports car? Let me know down below. And if you haven't already, I hope you'll check out some other vehicle episodes. There are some great ones out there. I hope you'll join us again on MtnRoads.